Hey everyone, today we'll be checking out my new 4-in-1 electric car jack.
Here's everything you will get in the kit. It can be powered two ways. You can plug this car jack into the cigarette lighter in your car, but you can also use the battery power directly. Plus, the jack comes with extra fuses, so if your car can't handle the power demands, you're not left alone with a blown fuse. Everything comes in a great durable case, and it doesn't take up much space, so it can easily be stored in your vehicle. This electric jack for your car is capable of lifting a sedan or SUV with a maximum weight of 11,000 pounds. It can do that in 2 minutes. And it also serves as an inflatable pump capable of generating 150 psi pressure. The hydraulic tank is totally enclosed, allowing you to use the jack at any angle without leaking oil. In case of power loss, this electric jack has a self-locking power structure to prevent slipping. Once power is reconnected, the jack is going to continue lifting or use the safety valve to lower the jack. A super bright LED light is on the front that makes this safe and easy to use at nighttime.